Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make fried chicken liver. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First we're gonna start with our ingredients. I have here 700 grams of washed chicken liver, some chopped green parsley, chopped onion, 10 garlic cloves cut in small pieces, some of green peppers cut in small pieces too, half spoon of paprika, half spoon of cumin, little bit of black pepper, 1 spoon of salt. We also gonna need a juice of 1 lemon and around 2 or 3 spoons of olive oil. These are our ingredients, and now let's go and see how to prepare our meal today. In a frying pan over the stove, put 3 spoons of olive oil and leave it for around 2 minutes. Then add the chicken liver, stir all together until the liver change its color. Then add our spices and the salt, mix them all together and leave it cooking for around 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, put the onion, the garlic, the green pepper over it and mix them all together and leave them cooking for around 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn the heat off, add the lemon juice, mix it with the liver and put it on the plate. Add a little bit of chopped green parsley and that's it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our final look for our dish today. Fried chicken livers. If you have any question, please leave it on the comment area below. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Some of other recipes in our channel you might find interesting.